So good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon, po, ma'am. We are now here to present the company portfolio of us, Quantum Group, Experience Extraordinary. So the members, you can see, we are now going to proceed to introduction. So as you can see po, ito po yung facility na po ng Quantum Group. Yan, Facebook page po namin, yung location at yung contact number po namin. For the next.
Andaya.
Magawa ng magandaan, mahusay na events para masatisfy yung mga kliyente. Our mission as Quantum Group is to provide extraordinary immersive and industry vision-independent events. The mission naman po is makagawa ng isang mahusay na kaganapan na ginawa ng pinagsama-samang idea at pagkamalikhain, kagandahan at kapagpanaw. Our vision is to be foremost innovator in every organization, with own course, letting you benchmarks in design. Our vision naman po is makaligyan ng makabago, elegante at hindi malilimutan experience para sa mga kliyente.
So ito po yung napili naming logo. Yung logo po na is Q-shape and of course may mga maganda pong design and maliwanag po siya para maka-entertain po ng mga guests or customers or mga employees or mga events or mga iba pang company para maki-collab sa amin at mainggan yung mga ibang tao para maka-ano sa amin. So yung sa ano naman po, yung tagline is Experience the Extraordinary. Yung explanation po yung Experience the Extraordinary. So, explanation po nito para ma-experience po ng mga employees or mga customers yung mga service or mga ihanda ng company namin. Thank you.
So, yung service hours naman namin is, number 1 is bespoke event, design and conceptual organization. Pangalawa is comprehensive event management and logistics. Pangatlo is immersive production and technology. Pang-apat is guest expertise. Guest experience and hospitality, and last is post-event analysis.
So our management capabilities at Quantum Group, number 1 is strategic, vision, and concept leadership. So dito po ay meron kaming creative direction, strategic planning, and risk assessment and mitigation. Number 2 is meticulous project management. Sinasagawa namin ang end-to-end coordination, timeline and milestone management, budgetary control, and quality assurance. Next naman is yung experience, expert vendors, and resource management. So dito naman po is yung strategic sourcing and negotiation, contract management, and logistic and inventory control. Next naman po ay sa aming mga capabilities ay yung dynamic on-site execution and leadership. Kami po ay team leadership and with coordination, real-time problem solving, client communication and management, and crisis management. Last po is yung innovation and adaptability. with trend awareness, customization and flexibility, and technology integration. Ito po yung mga past events na aming hinandle. Yung sa 39th Youth Complete Emergency Response Training in City of Davao. And kami rin po ang event organizer sa likod ng Grand Baby Fair 2024 in SMX Mall of Asia, Pasay. And here's our organizational chart. Our CEO and event coordinator is me, Mr. John Moore Makiwide. Ako ang
pwede pala kung
Head of Production and Logistics. Si Miss Irish Kate Patipay naman ang aming lead aesthetic and decor specialist. Si Miss Shane Kyrawan naman ang aming licensed client liaison and project manager. Si Miss Micaela Antay ang aming culinary and hospitality curation. Si Mr. King Joseph Celis ang aming marketing and communication strategist. And si Mr. Terence Ray Lucelda ang aming financial and administrative coordinator.
So for our letter of intent, so as you can see po, ayan, nandito po yung location namin, Facebook page, and yung yan po, yung date, yung pangalan ng client namin, at saka yung anong proposal or anong subject yung proposal na gusto namin bigay sa client namin. Yan, so as you can see po, yan po yung letter of intent namin. Ayan po, ito po yung proposal title namin, ang immersive experience, proposal for the Teen Streets Matter Seminar. For brief event summary descriptions, we have 5 rules. The who, this proposal is presented by Contact Group. For what, the event is seminar titled Teen Streets Matter. For when, the seminar should be scheduled on December 11, 2025.
pwede makumain.
For why, the primary goal of this event is to make the seminar successful and ensurable for seamless experience. For how, our approach of Contact Group will ensure the event success by applying our comprehensive management capabilities. For Miraculous Project Management, Ms. Joanna Rizzo, our Head Production Manager, will lead us in this event planning, including the time and culture and vendor coordination. For our strategic planning execution, led by me, Mr. Dragon Makawidi, the CEO of our team, will design and strategic event flow that ensures all seminar objectives are met. Next. And for our dynamic on-site execution and leadership, our team will be present and on-site manage all aspects of the event, from setup to breakdown. Ms. Jane Juan-Caela, the client liaison and project manager, will serve as the primary communication bridge, ensuring your vision to understand and implement it in real time. So, as you can see po, ito po yung banner namin. Yan po. Nandiyan po naka-highlight yung seminar na magaganap at saka yung company namin, NLB, for next. Ito po yung invitation namin, or sabihin natin yung flyers namin. Diyan nakapalog po yung specific location, tsaka kung saan po magaganap. Ayan po, ito naman po yung flyers namin. Next. So that's all for our presentation now.
Well,